So starting the test drive in this Santa Fe here, I've driven a couple of the newer Santa Fe's. I haven't driven this basic model. I've driven, I believe, the Limited and the SEL. What I like about the SE here is it doesn't feel much more different than the SEL, other than, of course, I don't have the power driver's seat. But the overall layout looks the same, steering wheel looks the same, shifter's in the same place, so I really like that. Like if I told you you were behind the wheel of a Limited without the badging, you probably wouldn't be able to tell me, oh no, this is an SE, other than the cloth seats as opposed to the H-Techs. But honestly, the comfort here is still pretty good in these cloth seats. So some of the better cloth seats that I've experienced. Now, very quiet behind the wheel here in the normal mode, which is a good thing. And of course, if you go ahead and put it into that sport mode, you kind of liven things up. And I'll try to do that getting on the interstate here. But the steering, it's a tad, I mean, it's very comfortable. And honestly, it's what I would expect from a Santa Fe. The Hyundais have always had kind of looser feeling steering feels to me. But I'm gonna test out the Sport and see if that actually changes things in terms of the overall driving capability. But so far, just a bit loose, but again, that makes it more comfortable in terms of just maneuverability. Now, I can't get over getting the adaptive cruise here in the SE trim. I just think that's remarkable. Especially for a 36 and some change MSRP. And it's sad that now if you look at something, it has cloth seats, I mean, you get adaptive cruise, but you don't even have heat here. It's crazy. You say 36,000 and all of a sudden, that used to be expensive, but now it's a bargain. So very quick, just with the turbocharger. Now getting on the interstate here, I'm gonna test out the paddle shifters and see how it does. All right, here we go. Oh, that is nice. The pull is incredible. Absolutely phenomenal. And the crazy thing is I came out of about, I guess I was doing about 35, and there was a car coming up on me, and I nailed it, and it just, gosh, it was off. It's fantastic. So cool thing is, again, we get the lane centering here. It's not meant to be a hands-free driving technology, but you can take your hands off every so often. You're supposed to hold it like this and it just kind of keeps you in it. But a nice feature to have, again, for that kind of money. But ride quality is fantastic. The power is great. I love this dual clutch. It's just so much fun. Reliability wise, don't know about it, but you do get that fantastic 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty with Hyundai, which is pretty much top of the line right now. But I mean, this is just a good deal, I think, for the money. Again, huge shout out to Hyundai of Cool Springs for letting me drive this one. I'll leave a link below in the description if you're interested in this Santa Fe particularly. And if you're looking for just the best deal on a Santa Fe in your area, make sure you check out the link below, and I can hook you up with your local dealers, make sure they're getting you the best price on one of these. But just a really good SUV for the money, especially this SE trim. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SE.